How to download Monkey app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Monkey app on your iPhone. Let's get started. You need to head over to your app store and then you need to go to the search bar at the bottom and then search for the Monkey app. So just tap on it and then you need to tap on the Monkey app and you can just download it. So here you can make new friends and chat and video call with them. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.